my name is Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads. Today I'm doing a video tutorial for a stitch called the Middle Bar half double crochet. And what I'm using for this is an eye hook, which is a 5.5 millimeter, and I'm using Crafter's Secret cotton. But you could do this stitch with any type of yarn and any type of hook. Just choose the type of yarn that you would like to use, and then see what hook size they recommend, and then you're good to go. This stitch is nice in that you don't have to have a certain number of chains or chain in multiples or anything like that. This works with any number of stitches. So I'm just going to do 13, lucky 13. And then I will come back when I have the 13. Okay, so the next step is to yarn over and do 1 half double crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then each chain across. So real quick, a half double crochet is where you yarn over, go into the stitch. Now sometimes people will go in the back bumps, that's okay too. Just for simplicity, I'm going to just go regularly into the stitch, draw a loop up, and then draw through all 3. So it's like you're starting a double crochet. Draw a loop up, and then instead of going through 2 at a time, you just go through all 3. I'll do one more with you, and then I'm going to pause and finish the row, and then we'll come back. Okay, we're all the way across. Now we're going to turn. Row 2 and row 3 are going to alternate for the rest of the desired length. So I'll teach you row 2, then I'll teach you row 3, and then you just repeat row 2, row 3, row 2, row 3 until it's the length that you want. I am following this pattern from a book called 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Todd Hunter. I'm following this for Battle of the Stitches. You don't have to watch Battle of the Stitches to be able to know how to do this stitch, but I'm just saying that because the directions in this book were a little bit tricky for me, and so I went back and I looked this stitch up in other places. I looked on YouTube, I Googled, and each place that I Googled it had it worded a little bit differently, but you do it the same way. So the way the book words it is to chain 1, and then you're going to put, they say put a half double crochet in the middle bar of each half double crochet. So I was thinking, what is the middle bar? And some people who have done this stitch, it's called middle bar half double crochet, but they have called it the first loop, they've called it the third loop. So to get the stitch to look the way you want, you would normally go in here for a half double crochet. Instead, you're going to go in this loop that's the back loop from the row below. And you're going to do a half double crochet. And then you'll half double crochet in these back loop of the row below all the way across. Nobody called it the back loop from the row before, but this is what they were saying. They were calling this the first bar, which is the front loop, I'm sorry, the front loop from the row below. This is the front loop of that stitch. So instead of going in here where you would normally go in, you're going below that, and this will make the stitch pop out. Sorry, I went, there we go, we went too far with that one. So we're doing the, I'm not sure how they got middle bar from this in the tutorial, or in the tutorial from the book, but after doing a lot of fact checking, this is exactly where it's supposed to be, and when I do it, it looks exactly like the picture in the book, which I will show you after we get a couple of rows done. So we only have 3 more stitches here. and then turn. So I'm going to finish this row. Sorry if this felt a little slow. Now we're going to turn, chain one. You can see how this nice texture is turning out. And then you're just going to put a regular half double crochet in the normal spot all the way across. Now you don't need to watch me do that, so I'm going to finish going across and then we'll compare this stitch to the stitch in the book. Okay, so I just wanted to compare my sample with their sample. You can see there's just a row, the base row here, and then the stitch pushed out here, and then just double crochet here, double crochet, and then there's another row with the stitch showing here. So this is the correct way to do it, even though the wording is a little bit strange and the name is a little bit strange, because I'm not sure why that's called the middle bar. If you know, let me know, because I don't want to be ignorant about this on other videos. It was just confusing for me, but we got it, and it is a very nice stitch. I'd love to see what you would make with it, so let me know in the comments what you would make with this stitch. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.